Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So hopefully you guys are having great days. If not, it will be great very soon, trust me. So this is another try on haul and I love to do try on hauls and you guys also love my try on hauls, so here it is. And this is basically a proper crop top haul. So today I'm going to show you all of my latest crop top collection and this is part 1. Part 2 will come very soon, probably this week or next week, because I have so many of crop tops now that I can't show you in on video. That will be like at least 1 hour video, and it seems like you guys are really loving my crop tops and I got so many of messages that from where I buy all of my crop tops. So here it is. And by the way, this video is not sponsored at all. Each and every cloth मैंने खुद buy किया है from my own money. So yeah, it's like non-sponsored video, but I really love my crop tops nowadays. So anyways, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so before starting this video, let me tell you that today's all crop tops are bought from Triple S, which is Street Style Store. It's an Instagram store and उन लोगों का जो official website है I'm going to attach in the description box, and of course it's a non-sponsored video. Okay, so first top is this, and as you can see that it's a beautiful crop top and it's like quite short. It's honestly not too long. It's proper crop top and the material is outstanding. It's not see-through at all and it's like perfectly body hugging dress. I just love it. And if you are not comfortable wearing this kind of short, you can totally pair it up with like a long high waist jeans or long high waist pant, whatever it's preferable for you. So by the way, you can see all the buttons जो front पे है, you can open that. So it's not like fake, ये proper button है. And also एक साथ ही मैं आपको वो पैंट भी दिखा देती हूँ. And this is I think like, oh my god, my messenger, my Instagram DMs are flooded with this question that from where you get this pant, because this pant is looking so sexy. I can't even tell you. Not like purely cotton material or purely satin material. It's like in between. So this pant is a must buy thing. And also all of my crop tops are in the size of small. And like so सभी आज के हॉल पे सभी स्मॉल है एंड द पैंट का साइज आई कैन रिमेम्बर. सो व्हेन यू विल बाय प्लीज चेक योर वेस्ट साइज, देन आप खरीद सकते हो एंड आई लव दिस. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट मूव ऑन टू दिस टॉप एंड ऑल्सो द कलर्स. I mean like the colors are so beautiful this time, like except of black I have chosen lots of like colorful stuffs, but all are in pastel form. You can see that it's like proper blue pastel के ऊपर है and I love this color. And this is like proper you can say it's like a avocado color. Avocado का जो अंदर का color होता है that is, and this color is just outstanding. It's looking white but trust me it's not. It's like purely avocado color. And now I'm going to show you this. So you can totally see that this top is not too short, so you can totally wear it like with normal jeans also, and it's perfect for those girls who don't love to wear like two crop tops. And the collar is so beautiful and it's giving like an elegant look. It's इसका जो neck है वो थोड़ा सा deep cutting है, but it's not like too vulgar or something. But आपको अगर problem है, you can totally like pin it and it's like good to. And also the thing is that you can totally see that it's not see-through. The color is extremely light but it's not see-through at all, and I'm just loving this. You can totally pair it up with a trouser also, it will look good. Okay, so next move on to this top, and the color of this top is like sea green. And oh my god, this top is like so beautiful, so sexy that I can't even tell you. You can see that ये थोड़ा सा crop है, but the upper section like chest का जो section है it's like outstanding and very unique, क्योंकि normal round like neck ये नहीं है. इसके अंदर थोड़ा सा यहाँ पर एक you can see that एक deep cut है, but it's not too deep that it will show your cleavage. And if you are not comfortable wearing sleeveless, you can totally throw a jacket or shrug on top of it and you are good to go. I love this crop top, and again it's not see-through and the size is like perfect body hugging crop top. क्योंकि crop top अगर नीचे से बहुत loose दिखता है वो बहुत गंदा दिखता है honestly, but it's not. So it's like perfect and I love it. Next move on to some bright color, which is this. This is a red crop top. See that this top is not too short, so it's perfect for those girls जिन लोगों का like short problem है. So it's like perfect for them, and the cutting is so beautiful. It's not too deep at all, and also it's not too short, so it's like perfect everyday crop top. you can totally pair it with jeans or like joggers or trousers, whatever you want. And this is such a beautiful everyday kind of a crop top. इसके अंदर बहुत सारा कलर है, ब्लैक है, ब्लू है, बट आई लाइक मैंने रेड कलर का ऑनेस्टली मेरा कोई टॉप नहीं है, सो मैंने इसलिए इसको लिया है. एंड द साइड पार्ट इज रियली वेरी अट्रैक्टिव एंड या डेफिनेटली ट्राई. Okay, so next move on to my second favorite crop top, which is this, and you will not understand if I show you like this way, so just look at this. So can you see it? It's such a beautiful sexy crop top. Of course not for those who don't want to show their body too much, because इसमें बहुत सारा body showing होता है, because back is like totally backless and front भी बहुत deep cutting है. But I am like comfortable like wearing this kind of a top. So those who are comfortable wearing this kind of a top, this is a must buy, because this is such a beautiful sexy crop top. So there are some people who love to show their back but don't want to show their front, like cleavage portion. So this is perfect for them, because you can see that इसमें कोई cleavage visibility नहीं है, but back is like fully open. So it's like for those people, and I love this, and like I'm waiting to wear this. मैंने इसको कभी पहना नहीं है बाहर, and this is such a cute top. And look at this, इसका size इतना छोटा है that you can totally throw this in your purse and you are good to go, and you can change it to anywhere. So anyway, next move on to my most favorite crop top. And like you guys have bombarded me with the question that from where you get this top. 25th December पे मैंने ये पहना था, and oh my god, you guys are like कहाँ से लिया है आप, कहाँ से लिया है? So here it is. मैंने इसको already पहना है, that's why I'm not going to like wear it. So this is the picture जो मैंने क्लिक किया था 25th December पे. So you can totally see that मैंने इसको पहना है इस पैंट के साथ, and they are looking just like bomb. And honestly, this is the first time like after wearing this, when I look into the mirror, I am like, honey, you are looking sexy. So this is kind of a dress. So if you are comfortable wearing this kind of a top, so just buy this, because this is such a sexy top. And one thing is that इसके इस साइड फुल्ली ओपन है. यहाँ पर आई थिंक मेरा हेयर है, सो यू कांट सी इट प्रॉपरली, बट दिस पोर्शन इज फुल्ली ओपन. ये जस्ट ब्रेस्ट के ऊपर से जाके इस साइड को कवर करता है. सो कीप दैट इन योर माइंड. बट इफ यू आर कंफर्टेबल वेयरिंग दिस काइंड ऑफ अ टॉप, डेफिनेटली बाय दिस, बिकॉज दिस इज सच अ सेक्सी टॉप. एंड 99% टाइम ये आउट ऑफ स्टॉक रहता है. सो लाइक आई एम गोइंग टू लिंक इट डाउन बिलो. सो इफ यू आर गेटिंग इट, जस्ट बाय. सो या दैट्स इट फॉर टुडेज वीडियो. आई होप यू हैव लव्ड दिस. इफ यू डिड, डोंट फॉरगेट टू गिव दिस वीडियो अ बिग फैट थम्स अप. It will mean a world for me. And also don't forget to comment down below कि आपको कौन सा क्रॉप टॉप सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद है. मेरा तो लाइक ये लास्ट वाला मैंने आपको दिखाया था, which is this one. This is my most favorite. Anyways, so part 2 will become very soon. So don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to hit the bell button, ताकि जब भी मैं part 2 अपलोड करूँ आपके पास तुरंत नोटिफिकेशन पहुँचे. So see you guys on my next video. Till then, bye, stay happy, and the most importantly, stay safe and stay at home. Bye bye.